Dup Dap is in his garden. Backbush TV. Like and subscribe. Dup Dap. Garden. Look at the field. Look at it. Look at the jungle. Don't go around there.
Potato, come on.
You can't go around that side. Go back this side. It's dangerous around there. Very, very dangerous. Look at this. Backbush TV. Cucumber. Rukumba.
The arms on but they are going with them.
Rukumba.
Okay, done, you know.
But look at Backbush. And a joke thing. We get scallion. We get onion. We get some tomatoes. We get some big tomatoes. We get some scotch bonnet. We got this chili pepper.
Yeah, man.
Some plum tomato. And then we have some big tomato, yes, sir. And we not really get no sweet pepper, but we get two, yes, sir, Backbush.
Two big ones there, man.
Okay, we have two. Okay, Backbush. No, we're not a lie. We have two big sweet pepper. And then we get some these are all mint. So we have 3 set of mint right here. So you see me have one set here, so, and then we have a next set of mint here, so, and then we have mint here, so. This mint are the mint where we used to get at Jamaica. The one where we call it again?
Lemon balm, but a mint we call it.
Yeah, the lemon balm. Yeah, the mint one, yeah, really good.
Mint
yeah, Backbush TV. Yeah, man, Dup Dap farmer go on with that thing. So right over here, so now, the dog have some Irish. You see me, I said we just throw it out of this. And the man said we are going to reap some Irish, but we will see how much Irish we are going to get now. Sir. And so we have a next bucket here, sir. So we will see how much Irish we are going to get. We will turn it around and see what going on. Dup Dap, go to work. Backbush TV, we will start count them. We get that little one here ready. So we will see if we can get some more. Alright. Okay, my volley. Harvest time. Harvest. Look at that. Out of one bag, Backbush TV. Out of one bag. Look how much we get. We managed to get. We're getting them. That is searching. He's searching for them. Oh, Irish. Irish is here. Took that fine whole for Irish. Backbush TV, like and subscribe right now. Grow your own food right now, because the way the Babylon system set you now, can't trust none of them. So look, that's a growing own food there now. This is what I tell the people them to do. To grow them own food right at this present moment. Yes. Okay. So we just feel it out and see if we got anything else left.
Yeah, for tend to the plants, you know.
Don't look like we got anything left.
Mother load, another one there, man.
Oh, it's a mother load then at the bigger pan, eh?
Aye.
Okay. Let's see where we go on then.
Alright, the one I done, I could put up this side. And we're done that shit then.
Yeah.
Let me clip there, where? Let me snip off.
Okay, you snip and protect them, yeah?
Root them, tuber them, you put them back, mix them back in.
You mix them back?
Yeah, next year them will come and produce again.
Okay.
Anything with root, you just left. You just left, leave them, you can dash it. Anything with root, we'll keep.
Okay, so this root you know we just grow back and the things start grow again.
Ah, you see if me they left them here long enough, I would get more as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so this now, just a simple matter. Put it in the bag. Next year, this bag here alone, I not have to do nothing to it. You get back potato, same way again.
Just like this?
Yeah. But me I go sow as me I go along here. So before the winter, I'll get another batch. I just leave them on the side outside.
And then just drop them in.
Yeah, set them in like 4 or 5 at a time. Then more dirt.
Dante, you see, we there some make video. Where you come here, sir, with your whole heap of nice one.
Everything nice, Dante. Everything nice.
Everything nice, Virgin. You see, look that there, sir. I deal with the thing.
Thing nice, everything nice. Yes, some can chew up the mixer. So, them are spud where the missus not use. I just keep them, store them up down to. I will know so we are going to make food out of them. Next year you come back, you see the bag, because I'm not pull it out till next year.
Full up.
Yeah.
So that's how you plan. That's how you plan. Yeah?
Put it down.
And get it ready for next year.
Yeah.
Alright, Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We're going to get to the next bucket right at this present moment. Do that, throw it out. Dante boss, mine, you know. Come on, know where you going with over there, so, you know. We are walk up and down in a farm and you don't have no shoes, you would.
Alright, we can see potato up on the top here, so already.
You can see potato up on the top already?
Yeah.
Alright, then we'll see where I'm going. The man for the farm, Dupdap, is right here. Him grow all of them food here back bush. You see it? Farmer, you know. If him have a bigger place, they're going with a bigger thing.
Dante boss, me see potato.
Alright, let's cut up the potato them now and see how much potato. Watch it. Potato come, Dante. Yep. Potato come, my boss. Potato. You can go home, go. Yeah, some red potato there too. Yeah, the red one them nice. Yeah, the red potato them nice, you know. Them white potato them are really nice, like the red potato them. But what you need to try for plant a... Yeah, potato. But the smaller bag go on with a bag of things more than that. Than that side. Okay. Yeah, man, the smaller something that look like it go on with a bag of things more than that, my boss.
I see him get more, but I just show me to him, you know. And I tend to them, you know, make them dry out. And I hit that. Look one there. Yeah, look one there.
Let's lift them in it, make them grow. Backbush TV, like and subscribe, that's it. Dupdap Farm. Yep.
Still get a decent amount, at least 2-3 dinner potato them there.
Right there.
I full up one little box like this, but I have over 100 potato. But I guess.
That is it.
Yeah. No, dig it up. No.
Like and subscribe, Backbush TV. Up top.
Yeah,
Warrior Homage TV. Like and subscribe. We're there. Mad. Jesus Christ.
Market the man comes, sir.
Market. Yo, give me a bag. Man. Put them in.
Yeah, man want a shopping bag.
Put them in. Hold it.
Yeah. Grow your own food. Grow your own food. Let your food be your medicine. Your medicine be your food.